Hi guys, today we are going to make a real estate logo in Adobe Illustrator. First of all, open Adobe Illustrator and create a new artboard. Now go to rectangle tool and draw a perfect square by pressing hold Alt and Shift key together. Click and drag to make a perfect square and rotate it at 45 degrees. Then delete the bottom anchor point. Now go to pen tool and draw a shape like this. And change the fill color. Now press and hold Alt key, click and drag to make a copy of this object and make a bit smaller. Now go to pen tool and just follow these steps. Now go to shape builder tool, click and drag to remove this extra line from inside. Now again go to selection tool, select the object from the front side and same from the other side as well. Now go to path, offset path and create an offset path. Here I'm going to make an offset of 10 points. Now select the whole object. Again go to shape builder tool, press and hold Alt key and delete these extra spaces. Now go to pen tool, press and hold Shift key, draw a line and same from the other side. Now go to shape builder tool and remove these extra lines and this extra corner as well. Now again go to rectangle tool and draw a rectangle. Now go to add anchor point tool, go to direct selection tool and drag it up little bit, and by using anchor point tool click and drag at right side to make bit round. Now again go to rectangle tool and draw a rectangle like this. Go to reflect tool and press and hold Alt key and click right in the middle of that rectangle and set an angle of 45 degree and click on copy. Now place these two rectangles right at the middle of this rectangle and click on minus front. Make it smaller. and place right at the middle. Now press and hold Alt key, click and drag to make a copy of it. Now go to text tool and click anywhere in the artboard and then write your logo title here. Select the whole text and go to character panel. Go to all caps and increase the font size. Now there are many font style, you can choose any that you like it. Or you think which is suitable with this logo. Press and hold Alt key, click and drag to make a copy of it. Now select the whole text and font style, you can choose bold. Now select the whole text and write in tagline here. And place right at the middle of your logo. Now select the whole text, then right click and then create outlines. Now it's gonna convert on the object, it's no more font. Now by using smart guide, draw a rectangle like this. Now draw another rectangle which is gonna cover the whole tagline. Select these both rectangles and click on minus front. Now select the whole logo title and tagline, change the color. And move right at the middle of your logo design. Now your logo design is ready. Now open any mockup file. I've already downloaded one. Now double click on the top layer of that mockup file. It's going to open in a new window. Now select your logo design. Now drag and drop in that canvas. Now adjust the size in place and place it right in the middle of that canvas. Now close that new window. It will ask you about saving, say yes. And your logo design is ready in a mockup file. Thank you very much.